Good morning, welcome to SCADA World YouTube channel. Today I have one question and one answer from me about doing some scripting in C script. How to get the if tag A is 1, it should be green. When tag B is 1, it should be red. And additionally with tag C, it should be yellow and flashing. Okay, I will copy this comment and I will take this into my WinCC SCADA. Okay, I open my window. This window generally is start window, so it will be easier for me. I will make some static text. Okay, so I see exactly the questions. If tag A is 1, it should be green. Additionally, with tag B, it should be red. And with tag C, it should be yellow and flashing. Okay, so let's make some rectangle. This rectangle is here. We need to turn off the color scheme, because if we don't, we can't change the color. And let's take some scripting. I will take the scripting from my last videos. You can go back and check this again. Okay, so I have the scripting. And we go with background color, and I will go with the C action. Okay, I will delete this template. Okay, copy paste. Okay, so I have defined the tag 1. It's tag A, tag B, and tag C. I need to make the 1, 2, and 3. So I have 3 different tags. I need to check if I have them. I think I have this. ABC. Okay, it's okay. And now I have the background color for this element, and we need to go with this kind of settings. Okay, so if something is, if tag 1, so it should be different color, and if not, it should be different color. We can try this. Okay. And I have the tag A, B, and additionally I need to have the tag C. So I will have all this. Okay, and this one, it should be tag C. Okay, basically now I have the description, I have the rectangle, and I have some IO fields. Now I go with running of this. Okay, so after I put 1, it's changed into green. So the first bracket is okay. Now after I put the 1 on the tag B, it should go to red color. Okay, so let's go and let's check how we can make this. So if my get tag of, let's make the tag get tag, maybe value. Okay, let's say it will be not value. If get tag bit of our tag 1, return something else. If get tag bit and get tag bit and second, then return should take me for example, to this color. It's just a example. Okay, I will delete this one. And else if my this copy and paste, and if tag 3, it should go to return. Let's say it will be 11111 because it's much different color, and else return 0. Basically, now we have, in this moment, we have tag A. The second is tag A, and tag B is 0 or 1, yeah, tag 1. And the third option is if tag A is 1 and tag B and tag C. Okay, let's check. We have a lot of errors, but you get expected before get tag bit. Okay, so we need to go with the additional brackets. Okay, let's check this. Okay, expected before else. Okay, so maybe let's make this else return 0. Still nothing. And without this, no, we should have this. Else return 0. Okay, I will paste this again and I will make the comments. Today is live coding, so it's not so easy. I didn't prepare, does not return a value. Okay, we need to return value. Okay, so we paste this. If something else something, it's we don't need to have the last tags on this. Okay, so we take this and this and this and this and this, so we don't need to have this one because it's not necessary here. Let's check this. Okay, we need to have the brackets again because we have the if-else functions. Okay, finally we have this, so we don't have any error. Okay, I think we can also make the comments here. So if something is wrong, we can say this is possible here, because if nothing here is okay, nothing is correct, it should return something to us. Okay, so it will be something like this. Okay, let's check if I can make the coding. It should be 0 and it should be 0. Okay, so if nothing, so we have the return 0, so it should be here. Okay, so basically it's running. Now we can go with TagA, it's green. Now with tag second, it should be 1. Nothing changed. But we don't know where we go with this function. Okay, so if, because this come here, we need to go with a different side. So basically we need to go from the top, so from 3 arguments into less arguments. So basically I need to change this. So I have 3 arguments, I have 2 arguments, and I have 1 argument. And on the last I have my last value, so it's 1 argument, and I need to have if else if. I think it should be like that. Okay, let's make the runtime again. Okay, so basically right now I have green, I have this one, and I have different. Okay, so right now I need to have some colors. How to make this the faster way? Okay, I think it should be something like that. The first one should be the green color. I have the green. The green color is here. The red color is here, but I need to check what kind of number is that. And I will make this with some functionality. Let's say I will put the HME runtime.trace, and on this trace I will put the item.backColor. So I will see in the trace option the number of my red color. Okay, it's 255 just. Okay, so basically if something, it should be 255 just. And the last one is the yellow color, and the yellow color after I make the WinCC running is 64. Okay, so the yellow is here, 64255. Okay, save this. Okay, and let's check this. So generally right now, okay, I will delete this because it's not necessary here. So basically I will delete this. Okay, so right now I have the black color. I could have any color here, and if tag A is 1, it should be green. Okay, I have green. If tag B is 1, it should be red with. So A plus B, it should be red. With tag C is 1, it's yellow. Okay, it's yellow. And additionally, in this moment, when we have all this functionality, we need to have also the flashing. How to make the flashing? I will show you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye.